Hello and welcome to Cat's Meow Designs. Today is the first episode of a new mini-series I'm calling Luau Dreams. And in this video, we are going to make the dress for the luau. So without further ado, let's look at the fabric. This is the fabric that I got for my Hawaiian dress. I'm super excited. Look at all of the beautiful vibrant colors. Looking at this fabric makes me so happy. So as you can see, like normal, the first thing I have to do is remove my cat from my project because he can be a little stinker sometimes. And for this dress pattern, I am using the Meadow dress by SWAT. Now, unfortunately, this company is no longer in business. So you can't buy this pattern anymore, but I have such fond memories of this pattern because it's what I made my 10th wedding anniversary dress out of when we had an anniversary party. And what I love most about it is that it's loose enough that it does not need to have any sort of zipper or closure, and it has elastic instead. So it's super comfy to wear all day to help finish getting ready to host the luau, and it's just super comfortable. Now I am making some changes to this pattern because the original pattern called for short sleeves. It had short half sleeves or three-quarter sleeves that were off the shoulder. But since this is for a luau, I am going for no sleeves, but I do want the elastic for the off the shoulder look. And as you can see, my little boy decided to come and help me again. And in case you wondered, you now know why it's Cat's Meow Designs, because my cats like to be involved in everything. So after we cut out the front and back pieces, then it's time to sew the side seams together. So we're doing the top and the bottom. I did opt to add some pockets to this dress also, just because who doesn't love pockets? Let's be honest. So the last time my family hosted a luau was back in January of 2020. So it has been 5 years since we've hosted a luau. And so I wanted to make this whole outfit completely special. And I'm just so excited with the finished result. So if you have been wanting to make a special outfit for an upcoming event and you've just been too scared to even get started, let this be your sign to just try it. You never know what's going to happen. There were parts of the process of making this dress that I just about gave up because things were just not going my way. And a lot of it I had to do freehand. Like I had no skirt pattern at all. And things just kind of worked out somehow. But the end result is worth it. And to me, it's more worth it to try and fail than to psych yourself out and never try at all. You never know what kind of beautiful art you can create, no matter what kind of art that you make. You'll never know what you can create unless you try. And fabric is just fabric. I got this beautiful fabric at Hobby Lobby, and total for the entire dress was only $25, if you can believe that. I already had the elastic and the thread at home, and since I didn't have to buy a zipper and I already had the pattern, then it was literally just the fabric, and I didn't even use all of it. So just give yourself the chance to really shine and create something beautiful. So now I'm just finishing up on the ruffle for the bottom and for the top of the dress. So if you're curious as what the rest of the videos in this mini series are going to be about. The next one is actually about this really cute purse that I crocheted and made. I hand stitched some pearls on it, and it kind of doubles as a crochet pattern review as well. And the last video in this mini series is going to be about making some jewelry to finish the look. I have some shell beads that I'm really excited to break out, and a couple of other fun surprises, and kind of my thoughts on this whole process and the reveal of the entire outfit together. So, without further ado, let's take a look at how the dress looks at the end of all of this hard work. This is the full look for the dress. So it is about a midi length, and it has this cute off the shoulder detail with a ruffle on top. It has an elastic waist, skirt. It has, as soon as I find the skirt has pockets, and then a super cute ruffle on the bottom. Here is a better view of it all in one shot. Thank you so much for joining me today, and be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series. I'll see you next time. Bye!